Owning a YouTube channel is one of the most easiest way to make passive income. In this short tutorial, I will walk you through how to make a similar content and how to create your own YouTube channel and start uploading. I'll be taking this tutorial from the scratch by creating a new Google account. If you have an existing Google account or probably a YouTube channel, you can as well rebrand this to the kind of niche you want, or you can probably create a new Gmail, then create a new YouTube channel for yourself. If you want to create a new YouTube channel or a new Gmail, you head to googleaccount.com, then you now click on create account. Once you click on create account, you see two options: for my personal use, for my child, and for work or my business. So you click on for my personal use. So once you click on it, you now see an option that you should indicate your first name. So I'll be going with this name, Wise Gamer. So I'll click on next. So I will now proceed to choose my date of birth. Then I'll now proceed and choose my gender. Then I'll click on next. Now, if you have an existing email address, you can also put it, but if you don't have, you now click on get email address instead. So now these are the available list of email address. So I'll just go with the first one for the sake of this tutorial. Then I'll click on next. Now you now ought to create a very powerful password. So once you create this password, you now click on next. You ought to confirm the password. So once you now proceed, there is need for you to input your phone number to verify your account. So Google will now send an OTP to your phone. So once you input that code, you now proceed and you click on next. Then if you wish to add a recovery email address, you add it here, but if you don't want, you click on skip. Then if you want to add this phone number, if you don't want, you click on skip. So now your account is ready. You now click on next. You scroll down and you accept their terms and conditions by clicking on I agree. So now you've succeeded in creating a new Gmail account. Up next is now for you to create your own YouTube channel. So the second phase of this tutorial, if you want to create a YouTube channel, you click on your icon. Once you click on it, you see an option, create a channel. So you now click on it. So you see an indication for you to use, if you want to use the name of your email address, but if you don't want to, you can rename it and use something different. So in this case, I'll be using 19 Studio Game. So this is the name I'll be using, 19 Studio Game. Then I'll proceed and I will click on this option, create channel. So now you can see this option, your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So now this is your YouTube channel right now. If you click on this, your icon, you will now navigate to YouTube Studio. So once you navigate to YouTube Studio, you will see a welcome address, welcome to YouTube Studio. You now click on continue. So as you can see, this is your YouTube dashboard right now. Your dashboard, you don't have any video, you don't have a profile picture. The next thing is for you to customize your YouTube channel. So if you want to customize your YouTube channel before you start uploading, you scroll down to customization. Once you scroll to customization, the first option you see here is layout. Now this is the format of your YouTube channel. Once you start uploading, I will release a second tutorial on how to create your layout for the first timer and then for returning subscribers, the kind of video you wish to feature so that it will attract more audience. Then the second option here is branding. This is where you'll be able to upload your profile picture to create banner. Now if you want to upload your profile picture, if you can make use of your existing picture. In this case, I will upload a very simple picture right now. So once you select your file, you click on open. So you now preview your file, then you click on done. Now in case of your banner, if you want to create banner, there's a tutorial on how to create your banner. I'll be releasing that tutorial anytime soon, but you can head to canva.com and create a free account. Subsequently, you can upgrade your account to a pro account where you'll be able to have access to all the features. So once you head on to canva.com, you see a lot of templates. This is a lot of templates. You can come to this drop down icon or the search column and then you click on YouTube banner. So once you click on YouTube banner, you see a lot of templates. Then you will now customize them to your taste. Even if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail too, you can as well make use of this point. You search for YouTube thumbnail, you see this second option, YouTube thumbnails too. For the sake of people doing Amazon KDP, you can also make use of Canva, and you can also use Canva to design your videos. So we proceed. I've already created two banners. So let's go back to the channel. I'll click on upload. Then I will now select the file. Now this is the banner I created, game with white. So I'll now click on done. So as you can see, our YouTube channel started building it. I started customizing, giving it a very good, beautiful shape right now. So you now click on publish. So once you click on publish, it has been saved already. So if you want to view your channel to see how the new feature looks like, so you click on view channel. So as you can see, this channel has no subscriber and no video right now, and there is no video description, so there is no channel description at the moment. So let's proceed and go to setting your niche. If you want to set your niche, you click on settings. Once you click on setting, you click on channel. You see that your country of residence, you need to select your country of residence. In my own case, I'll be using Nigeria. So once you select Nigeria, then a keyword, you need to input keyword related to your niche too. So the keyword I'll be using here is once you input a particular keyword, you separate it with comma. So once you're done doing that, you click on advanced settings. Advanced settings, this is where you now set whether your channel is made for kids or not. In my own case, I'll go with the second option. This channel is not made for kids. So now if you want to link any Google account with your channel, this is where you link it. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are not going into that. Then we now navigate to the last option under channel, which is feature eligibility. So as you can see, the standard features has been enabled. The second one, you are not eligible. That shows for the first time you won't be able to create videos up to 15 minutes and you can't go live. Then the advanced feature, if you click on the drop down icon, you see the requirements. So you won't be able to. So except you verify your phone number for you to have access to the intermediate features. In my next tutorial, I will show how to verify your YouTube channel. So the advanced features right now, let's see some of the criteria. So the advanced features is either you make use of your facial verification or a valid ID, or then probably channel history. The channel history, it all depends on the numbers of time you'll be making uploads up to 2 months. So if you're making upload consistently for 2 months, then channel history will automatically verify these advanced features for you. So once you're done reading everything and you're done with your settings from your channel section, you now click on save. Now coming to your niche right now, you click on settings again, then you click on upload default. So once you click on upload default, in case if you want to set your video title, but it's not advisable you set your video title because you'll be creating different videos. Then if you want to use permanent description where you include your links, if you have any affiliating link that you want to advertise, if you have anything, you can make use of that here. Then your visibility, if all your videos are public, you select public. Then tags, so if you want to add tags, but in my own case, you can easily add this through your video upload. So once you click on advanced settings, you now select the kind of license you want. Always leave it with standard YouTube license, and then the video language, we proceed and we select English as the video language. Title and description language, you select English as well. Up next is category, which is the category, the niche you are into. What we have here, we have auto and vehicle, comedy, education, entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how to. Now in the case of this tutorial, the channel I just created is related to gaming, so I will go with the option gaming. Then I will now click on save. you've succeeded in customizing your YouTube channel, and the next thing is for you to start making uploads. I already made a simple tutorial on how to upload and optimize YouTube channel. Remember to check the link in the description of this video. If this video is helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you.